Hey there! If your face flares up at the slightest thing, redness, burning, itching, you know how tricky sensitive skin can be. Finding products that actually soothe instead of making things worse feels like a never-ending quest. So today, I'm breaking down the top 5 face products for sensitive skin that have genuinely helped calm my skin and could help yours too. No fluff, no complicated 10-step routines, just real, effective products that your skin will thank you for. Number 1, Gentle Cleanser, because your skin deserves a soft touch. Cleansing is step 1, but if your cleanser leaves your skin feeling tight or irritated, it's time to switch. Look for something fragrance-free, soap-free, and creamy or gel-based, something that cleans without stripping. Number 2, Hydrating Toner or Essence, a refreshing boost for your skin. Sensitive skin often feels dry or tight, and hydration is key. A light, soothing toner or essence packed with calming ingredients like aloe, centella, or hyaluronic acid is like giving your skin a big drink of water. Number 3, Barrier Repair Moisturizer, the ultimate skin shield. When your skin barrier is damaged, everything gets worse. Redness, irritation, sensitivity all spike. A moisturizer rich in ceramides, niacinamide, and squalane helps rebuild and protect. Number 4, Calming Serum, your skin's peacekeeper. Sometimes your skin needs a little extra love. Serums with ingredients like madecassoside, oat extract, or calendula can reduce redness and soothe irritation without overwhelming your skin. Number 5, Mineral Sunscreen, gentle protection you can trust. Sun protection is non-negotiable, but chemical sunscreens often irritate sensitive skin. Choose a mineral sunscreen with zinc oxide or titanium dioxide that's lightweight and non-stinging. So there you have it, my top 5 face products that really calm and protect sensitive skin. If you've been stuck in a cycle of irritation and frustration, these might be the game changers you need. If this video helped you breathe a little easier about your sensitive skin routine, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell to never miss real skincare advice. And tell me in the comments, what's your favorite product for sensitive skin? I'm all ears. Thanks for hanging out, and here's to calm, happy skin. Blue Heart.